Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color school supplies.
Let's start drawing.
Let's start to draw a simple book like this. Now let's draw the 3 letters of the alphabet on the front. A, B, and C. Then I draw a nice space for it. I draw 2 very pretty eyes like these. And a smiling mouth. Next to the book, I'm going to draw a pencil. Excellent! Then I draw some simple scissors. How fun school can be! Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color the school supplies, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I color the book red. Then I use orange for the letter A, yellow for the letter B, and green for the letter C. For his mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Pink. Now let's continue with light blue for the pencil. Then I use a medium blue marker. And finally, a dark blue marker. Yellow. Then I use purple. And finally, pink for the rubber in the end of the pencil. I colored this part with cream and gray. For the scissors, I use the aquamarine marker here. Then I use red again. And then orange. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.